LibreWolf is a hardened Firefox fork focused on privacy, security, and freedom. It comes preloaded with strong protections like uBlock Origin, strict anti-fingerprinting, automatic deletion of cookies on close, disabled telemetry, DRM removed, all privacy levers pulled by default. Ladybird is a new open-source web browser under heavy development, alpha release targeted for 2026 built from scratch using its own engine, LibWeb, rather than Chromium, Gecko, or WebKit, aiming for high fidelity to web standards, simplicity, and minimal external dependencies. It's driven by a non-profit model with a no default monetization or ad deals. If we talk about strengths and trade-offs, LibreWolf's out-of-the-box privacy is far ahead of most browsers, but sometimes it breaks site compatibility or features because it disables many convenience parts like telemetry, DRM, etc. Users report occasional UI quirks or sites failing to load correctly. Ladybird's appeal is its fresh start design, own engine, minimal bloat, strong adherence to standards, and community driven development. But it's early. Many features are missing, performance lags behind established browsers, stability and compatibility are still works in progress. Ideal users use LibreWolf if they want maximum privacy now, accept occasional breakage, and are okay with configuring or tolerating quirks. Try Ladybird if you'd prefer something built fresh, minimal, independent, standards faithful, and are okay being an early adopter waiting for features and polish. Which browser seems better for your priorities? LibreWolf's advanced privacy now or Ladybird's promise of independence and standards down the road?